Winter snowpack is critical to Idaho's water supply and the communities and economies that rely on that water supply. It is no secret that Idaho's water supplies are stressed. With curtailment, changing weather pattern, declining aquifers, and snow drought, water users must utilize all the tools available to secure our water supply.
And as many people know, we live in an actual desert. Our normal water for precipitation is around 12 inches a year. So without that snowpack, we don't have the water to turn this desert green.
What if we told you that Idaho has the ability to increase its annual water supply by 10 to 15% through increased snowpack in the mountains? And what if we told you that this could be done at a fraction of the cost of other water supply enhancement methods? Enhancing snowpack 10 to 15% isn't magic, it's science. Thoroughly tested and verified science.
It's always nice to have another tool in the toolbox to make more water. The process of cloud seeding is you introduce silver iodide particles into the atmosphere.
Cloud seeding enhances a cloud's natural ability to produce ice crystals. As clouds are seeded, ice particles are formed in the clouds. The crystals grow and attach to each other until they become heavy enough to fall as snow.
There are ground units which use burning of natural gas or propane to help those particles raise up into the clouds. The other way is through aircraft flying around, and they drop those flares. The flares carry the particles and they spread out through the clouds and allow us to go ahead and get the water particles out of the clouds. In the state, we actually make about 1.2 million acre feet of water per year with the program that we've got.
Idaho's water user community helps fund the state's cloud seeding programs. Why would they do this? An additional 1.2 million acre feet of water is approximately one football field covered in water, 1.2 million feet deep. That's over 390 billion gallons of water each year added to our water supply. Cloud seeding is one of the most cost-effective ways to enhance Idaho's water supply.
If we were actually creating storage to store that amount of water, 1.2 million acre feet, based on what we know from the project we're doing at Anderson Ranch, the cost of creating that much storage would be somewhere north of $6 billion. So we're really getting a huge bargain at $10 million a year for the million or so acre feet that is being produced.
Cloud seeding only occurs under a very specific set of circumstances. All these conditions must be met for cloud seeding to occur. First, winter months. Cloud seeding only occurs from October to April. Second, existing storms. Clouds must be present in order to be seeded. And third, high mountains. Seeding only occurs in high mountain areas. Importantly, cloud seeding is only taking place in certain basins in Idaho. So, what is the science? Multiple long-term independent studies show no known negative environmental or health impacts. Seeding activities in one basin does not result in negative effects to downwind water supplies. An additional 10 to 15% water supply to benefit farms, fish, communities, industry, power, and recreation.
Cloud seeding actually helps us provide the water for the snow drought conditions. We're also getting into climate change. But if we can augment what we have and make more of with cloud seeding, it really benefits everyone.
75% of Idaho's water supply comes from snowpack. With increasing water supply stresses from changing weather patterns, declining aquifers, and snow drought, why wouldn't we use cloud seeding to increase our snowpack?